going on? Shout out to all the food service drivers out there, man. In this video, I'm reaching out to all the new food service drivers that's got off the road. They're getting ready to get into food service. One thing I want to tell you is, if you don't already own a home as a food service driver, or you don't even got to be a food service driver, I'm just using a food service as an example, right? You can plan to buy your house within 2 years of coming off the road, or even from being an owner operator, right? Just set a plan to buy your house within 2 years, right? Food service is one of the only jobs where I seen guys, it's almost like a guarantee that you're gonna be able to buy a house within 2 years of doing this type of work. And it's just, you just gonna make money to qualify. And one of the advice I can give to people right now is just start paying attention to your debt to income ratio. Make sure you get that in check, right? You want to make sure that if you're going FHA, which the majority of people is going to be going for their first time, you got to be at overall you got to be at around a 43% debt to income ratio. The reason why it's easier for FHA than it is for conventional, because conventional is more strict. Conventional is at like a 30% debt to income ratio. And what that means is that the bank just want to see that you're not like struggling when it comes time, when they want to look at your overall money that you make, and they want to compare that to how much money you're paying out for the month on your bills and stuff, and make sure that it's staying under like 43% for FHA, and that on a conventional, I'm trying to remember, conventional, I think it's like a 30%. I'm not 100% sure, but man, y'all want to start saving money, putting money away, start working on your credit. You got to get that right? And you'll be able to qualify. I forgot where I left off, but start paying attention to your credit and your your debt to income ratio right. Now, to dummy it down, let me dummy it down a little bit, right? If you're making $2,000 a month, I'm just giving you an example. I'm just using this for example, right? You don't want to be dishing out $1,500 on bills. You will not qualify. You just won't. You know what I mean? You're going to run into a lot of people, and they're going to let you know that they're going to make it seem like it's not good to own a home or something like that. Those people, they just can't qualify. So they're the negative people. You feel me? Food service job, when things are back to normal, you'll be able to save money quick. All right. Now, anybody that's going FHA, which the majority of people do go FHA, check with your city. And sometimes your lenders are supposed to know, but they're not obligated to know. Check with your city to see if they have any type of programs where you can get money from your city. A lot of times, particular city, they want people to move there. You know, it's kind of like steering people into a particular area. So the city will have money and grants to give people that's going FHA. They'll have classes and stuff like that. So check with your city and stuff like that. Do your research. You probably won't have to put down nothing, you know. All the military guys, man, I'm pretty sure they already know. VA loans. VA loans, man. A VA loan is so good because those guys, they don't have to put nothing down for the down payment. You know what I mean? So they got it good. Shout out to everybody that's in the military. So what I'm trying to say, man, is I want to see every single truck driver buy a house, man, within 2 years of being employed, right? One thing that's so important, man, that a lot of guys seem to take for a joke is the job hopping situation, right? You do lose money job hopping. You know what I mean? It depends how much break you take in between jobs. You know what I mean? And lenders do look at it. Lenders do look at that. The only thing that you have going for yourself as a job hopper is that you're staying in the same industry as a trucker. But lenders do look at job hopping. You know what I mean? I'm not telling you to just sit there and take the BS from your job, but if it's not that serious, just stay where you at. Every job is effed up. Every single job is screwed up. If you're gonna leave a job because it's not screwed up, like, you're gonna be leaving jobs forever. There's no perfect jobs out there. Every job got a problem. So it's just like a woman. Did I just say that? Hey, I ain't mean that. I did say that. Now I gotta explain myself, right? But on the real, it's just like a woman, man. Every woman got a problem, right? You know what? I need to stop while I'm ahead. I'm just digging myself deeper and deeper in the hole, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna save that for another video. But a lot of people, and I ain't gonna explain myself either, so shout out to all the ladies. You guys know, y'all know what it is, so we're not gonna get into that. I'm not even gonna get off topic. That was just a bad analogy. But yeah, job hopping is not cool when you're trying to decide to buy a house, you know. It's just not, man. You pretty much, you can decide how much house you can afford. One advice I can give to you is, if you're paying $1,600 a month for rent, and you feel comfortable paying $1,600 a month for rent, why you want to go and pay $2,000 a month for mortgage? To me, that don't make no sense. So usually my advice to people is, whatever you pay for your rent, you want to be close to that number or less than that number. Okay? Because you gotta remember, when you have a house, it's a lot of obligation, man. Everything's on you. It's not like when you have an apartment, you can just pick up the phone and call the landlord or call the apartment complex, be like, hey, y'all can fix this damn toilet or whatever is broken. You know what I mean? No, all the responsibility is on you. So now you need like wiggle room money, so you'll be able to take care of things that comes up. You get what I'm saying? And that's what it is, man. I'm just dropping this video today, man, to inspire all those guys out there and ladies that's getting into the trucking game. You could really own a home, man. Just start making your plans. Start paying off your bills. If you got some if you got some bills that you've been putting it to the side, credit card bills that you want to pay off, just start with your smallest credit card, man, and make a plan to pay that off, and keep paying and keep knocking them out the park. Or you can start with the highest one, whichever one you want to do. It don't matter. You know what I mean? But you can start by knocking off the smallest one, while you're still making minimum payments on every single one for the month. But the smallest one, boom, you just knock that out of the park, and you just keep going up and up and up from there. You get what I'm saying? And just start being accountable for your credit, man, because it does matter. It does play a key role in getting qualified for FHA or conventional, man. It plays a major role. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna tell you what number you need to be at, because like there's a lot of people that might get offended, because there's a lot of people that's listening to this video right now that, man, their credit score is like at a 400. You know what I mean? They just screwed their credit up. They get a credit card, so soon they get the credit card, they think they got money, and they went crazy, and they didn't pay off their credit card, and now they're stuck at a 400 credit score. You know what I mean? So we're not even gonna get into that. That's a different topic. So just know that truck drivers, you can really buy a house. And anybody that's in Florida, man, if you're in the Orlando area or the Tampa area on the west side, if you want to buy a house, just reach out to me. I got a realtor buddy on that side of town. Just let me know, and I'll be able to help you. All right? Now, in a month or two from now, if you want to be on the Port St. Lucie area or north of Port St. Lucie, Vero Beach, just reach out to me, and I'll be able to help you. You know what I mean? So that's all I got for y'all. Y'all be easy. Have yourself a good Sunday morning.